Hey, Todd Johnson here, Newby Buick GMC. We're going to take a look at this 2021 GMC Yukon. It's an SLT, but it has the interior, the tech package that includes the screens in the back. We're going to touch on that a little bit later. I have to get a USB-C ported cable for my iPhone in order to show you some of the features, but I'm going to use the regular USB and going to do a kind of a mini tutorial on Apple CarPlay. So let's go check it out. Alright, so heading on into the inside here, we've got an SLT Yukon with the big screen. I've also brought my iPhone. It's a 7 Plus. It's got a USB cable. We're going to plug in right here in your USB slot there, and this cable, just so you know, can do data as well as charging. So your cable has to be data port ready. So the cable has to be able to do data and charging. So we'll get it on the tripod and we'll start there. Alright, so once you've gotten in your car, you got your iPhone, you got your cable, we're going to plug into the USB port that's down below the AC controls. As soon as we plug in, Apple CarPlay will pop up. Boom. And we've got our navigation and our music. Most recently played was James the Mormon. Fun music. That'll give you the split screen. You can also lay your phone down in there on the charging pad, so it's trickle charging. So now we have control over navigation, and the passenger can manipulate the cell phone navigation through the CarPlay and reduce the risk of distracted driving. You can operate the onboard navigation in the vehicle. You have to do it by voice when you're in drive, so that seems to be a problem when people are driving. I mean, if you're by yourself, you're going to be manipulating one or the other either way. But anyway, that is how you start your Apple CarPlay. If you want to go out of there, you can push the home button, which is down below the air vents, and now you're back to regular audio, phone navigation, etc. But if you touch CarPlay, it'll bring it right back up. Kind of a neat feature.